Okay, let's try to find some buying opportunities in the stock market today. Tesla is down $6.21, closed at 164.90. Post market up a little bit. So let's take a look at what we have here on the chart. So yeah, yesterday we had a nice try. We tried to get outside of our congestions, our bearish channel. This is the channel right here. We tried to get outside of it. Well, we went outside of it, but we could not close above it. And today we are caving into that downward resistance right here. So the channel is doing what it should do is that it should be holding the price in, and it's holding the price in. We are still watching 165.46 right here. This is a big important support. And we seem to be heading down towards that number, especially with with the candle that we got today. Seems like we might be going down that route. And then there is going to be the earnings call on April 23rd. So that might change the game a little. It might not, though, because of the delivery numbers and production numbers that were not super great. So then this is going to impact the profits. So yeah, right now, nothing to do with Tesla. Don't buy yet. We are still into a downtrend, and we should not be buying a stock into a downtrend because it should be continuing to go down. So why buy something that will continue to go down? Most likely, it does not make sense. On the 1-hour chart, we had a special day today. At 10:30, we had a big move down, and it recovered a little bit. Reuters had some news, put out some news saying that Elon Musk was putting aside the idea of a bargain price Tesla for the masses in favor of self-driving robo-taxis. But then Elon replied quite fast on X saying that Reuters is lying again. So basically, this was the reason for that dip and move back up. There's a little bit of a short below this 165 line right here. So we closed below today at 130 after the candle at 130, then came back up, and we cannot go higher than this other downward resistance right here. So, this is a short. This is a short right here. And put your stop loss just a little bit higher than this wick right here. Just a little bit higher here at 165.86. So VIX is moving down a little bit in terms of the close, but still made a higher low, a big higher low. So VIX is still not doing that great. And bonds are moving higher. This is not helping the stock market in terms of the US dollar. Nothing to see here. Let's take a look at the stock indices to understand where the market is moving as a whole. So Dow Jones, we have been coming down recently. Right now, we are going sideways, so we cannot conclude anything. S&P 500, the same thing. We are pausing. NASDAQ is pausing also. Let's take a look at the Magnificent Seven. So Apple still above 168.40. It's hanging on there. No stochastic. So, we could be going lower, but so far it seems to be holding. The real short is going to come below 165.49. You could start shorting as soon as we break that 168.40 with a close below. If you want to get a little bit of a head start, that would be just a little bit riskier. Amazon, so continuing. So the break at 180.11 is still good. So this is still a buy signal right here for Amazon. AMD going sideways, nothing to do here. ARM going sideways. Google, the buy signal above 151.88 is still valid. You see this here. We are bouncing on that support. This is textbook perfect. Microsoft still above 115.25, still holding well after the buy signal we had on March 14. So this one I still think is okay. Meta, look at this stronger. So we are breaking 523.39. So we are having a little bit of an impulse on that one. NVIDIA just going sideways. Palantir bouncing on support right here. I would not buy back this soon. SMCI going down. So, this is a short in my opinion. We have broken 982.37. So in fact, this was a short even yesterday. So this one is a short if you want to try that. Truth Social. So the bullish channel is over. Now we need to identify where is it going to go into a congestion zone. So see, we have support right here, February 13. We have support there, but see, we are also a lot outside. So this is just a temporary support. I'm going to put the real support that encompasses things a lot more. Look at this beauty here. So we fit exactly January 25th and also March 19th. So this is the real thing. This is what's happening. Support at 31.81. Marathon going sideways, nothing to do. Open, still above this diagonal support until we hold this support and then break 316. There's nothing to do. Let's take a look at our EV stocks. BYD going sideways. Lucid sideways. Neo Battery Material, not good. Neo, not good. Novonix, we had the big move yesterday with very low volume, so somebody might be accumulating a little bit. And now we are closing just a little bit lower. So this was a really big impulse move. You can enter right now if you want to. It's still above 249. You can still enter. Let's hope that it bounces on 249. If it goes lower than 249, then you can get out. Xpeng going sideways. Rivian, nothing to say about that. Bitcoin still above the big diagonal support. This is fine. And the ETFs are pretty much the same. XRP bouncing on 57 cents. Gold continuing here March 27 at 17 bucks. That's $1 a share. And silver up 2.55. So we had the buy signal right here when we crossed 885. This is still valid. So this is profit. So we are in profit with that. So yeah, Tesla, would not be surprised if it continues to go down. It's too bad, but it is what it is. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.